Hello. And me and Billy are just heading out for a little walk this morning. And my plan is to head out with my bush box and see if I can get it lit. And if I can, I'm going to have a bacon and mushroom sandwich out in the sticks somewhere. I'm not sure where we're going to go. We're just going to have a short walk. Brought Billy some breakfast as well. And we're just going to chill out and just enjoy this gorgeous outdoor space because it is absolutely stunning. Yeah! I know. I don't know whether you can see it in the distance over there, the clouds rising up out of the forest. Looks like a rainforest. Beautiful. My favourite camping gadget at the moment is a bush box that I bought a few weeks ago, and it just allows you to have a little self-contained mini fire without running the risk of damaging the ground or surrounding area. So it's a great little thing, and I'm just learning how to cook on it. So my challenge for today is going to be seeing if I can get the thing lit and kept going with damp wood that I foraged from the forest floor. Be an interesting one, won't it? Let's see how it goes. We're at the beginning of September now, and you can really feel autumn is on its way. The days are getting shorter. I don't know about you, but I love autumn. You can just start to get cosy up and get ready for the winter, can't you? And I love the colours, and yeah, it's one of my favourite times of year. So the passing of summer is fine. It doesn't stop me from getting outdoors, that's for sure. I'm walking all weathers. Chumping, see if we can get these lit. Cook us up a bacon and mushroom sandwich. Get these out. Probably not. No. Billy's had a couple of ticks on him this week. I've managed to escape so far. There's plenty of sticks and fuel for the fire. I've got a little bit of dry kindling to get it started. I've only got one fire lighter, so we've only got one shot at this. Quite excited actually. I love it. Just trying to find the best spot. I want to have a little bit of a view. Bit of a flat spot. There's our wood. Here's my bush box and my dry bit of kindling to get it going. See if we can get it right first time. It's a bit flat here, so we shouldn't be falling out, but look, can you see? There's where I burnt it. Little frying pan and some tongs so I don't burn myself. So I've got with me some rapeseed oil, bacon and mushrooms there, some bread. In here is my little ration pack of tea, coffee, hot chocolate, soup, whatever I fancy. I'm going to have a coffee after I've cooked up my bacon sandwich. And here is the star of the show, my favourite bit of kit at the moment. Dead easy to set up. Flip it into place. Need to break up my sticks. I managed to find some rotten bits of wood that feel quite dry, so they'll burn quite quickly. I had to get a bit of extra wood. This is nice and dry. My fire lighters, actually I've got 2 there, so that's good. Ooh. Thought I'd forgot my matches then, but I've got my lighter. Let's give this a go. Go in. Oops. Don't want to put it out. Bacon mushroom sandwich outdoors. I'm really looking forward to it. At the moment, Billy's just eating a stick. Right, got it going a bit better now. Who don't love messing about with fire though? I'm loving this. Can you hear it sizzling? Because the wood's a bit damp, it's a bit smoky. They do this to twig stones, they die out and then you put a load of stuff on and eventually flame comes back. But it's just taking a little bit of time because the twigs are damp. So it's not the best. Looks done to me. I'm just gonna just char it a little bit on there. Just to crispen it up a bit. That'll do one. Whoa, that looks delish. Oop. There we have it, bacon and mushroom sandwich. Water's on now for brew. Great. I can tell you this is delicious. About food cooked on a natural flame, that it always tastes nicer. And the views. Is I'll put Billy's breakfast in there, and then there you are, Billy. That's your breakfast. Oh, I'm full now. I've got my coffee. I just wanted to make a little video and cook out a bacon sandwich in the wilderness. Well, in the forest. Fire's coming back. Billy's enjoying his breakfast. Life's good. Really enjoyed just being out in the forest and having a bit of peace and quiet for a week. It's just the perfect antidote to life, and yeah, just what I needed. Bit of sunshine and a cup of coffee. Just goes to show you don't have to spend a lot to have a good time. The Billy's here, look. Sniffing out bits of bacon rind that I threw out for him to find. So I'll be ending the video shortly. It's not really a long walk today. We walked about half an hour to get here. So until next time, bye bye for now. Thank you for watching.